Good evening. This is a presentation of Organizational Design, Structure and Change by Chizom Omunna of the Colangelo College of Business, Grand Canyon University. The course is Management 605, Leadership and Organization by Tom Halton. The due date is October 8th, 2025. Every year, Fortune magazine publishes a most admired list of companies using 8 criteria. The criteria are innovativeness, quality of management, long-term investment value, social responsibility to the community and environment, people management, quality of products and services, financial soundness, wise use of corporate assets. For this assignment, we shall select one of the underperformers, the area they are underperforming, and the reason for this underperformance. Also analyze the organizational structure and how to improve this performance. The reason for underperformance. Samsung faced a damage to its reputation from exploding Galaxy Note 7, poor customer service, and corporate scandals. Batteries in the Galaxy Note 7 began overheating and catching fire. The company lost over $17 billion in 2016. Galaxy phone cybersecurity flaw also occurred in 2015, and there was also this Galaxy S22 performance controversies in 2022. It ignored customers' complaints, difficulties with repairer ability to fix the phone, as well as deleting unfavorable reviews. These were other complaints against Samsung. Human rights violations and involvement in nuclear power and armament industries, environmental concerns, and high carbon emission were others. The company is underperforming in the area of quality of the products and the services. The ramification of the underperformance events, this led to poor performance of Samsung stocks, reduced revenue and profitability, loss of market leadership, decreased market share and leadership, negative impact on reputation and investment and investor confidence. Organizational structure, the business culture is one of the strengths of the firm as it helps to produce a behavior structure inside the firms. This is by Hazer et al. 2020, page 94. Samsung's business culture for success are ownership of an institution which builds the employees' understanding of their business nature. Only the CEO can manage the firm's management as well as diversifying production in terms of sizes and prices and so on. This is by Hazer et al. 2020, page 94. Samsung has introduced an extensive program for management transformation in 2012. Samsung's new concept development and CD department is on the path to innovation. Samsung publicly declared a commitment to ethical principles, corporate social responsibility, and fair management. This aligns with conscious culture concepts. This can help to improve the organizational function. Improvement plan using Kota's 8-step change model involves creating urgency for change among the people involved, the staff and the employees, building a coalition for this change, developing a vision for change, communicating this vision to the people involved, removing any obstacles there could be to this project, generating short-term wins, building on the change and making the change stick. The challenges to the possible change are rooted in the fear of the unknown, loss of control, disruption of comfort zones. The employees are afraid that they could lose their jobs. The leaders are afraid that they could lose control. Different organizational subsystems like strategy, processes, technology, and culture must be realigned through a systematic process, including identifying the problem, developing a new strategy, securing employee buy-in, and so on. Communication will help allay people's fears, employees and leaders alike. Design a structure will involve some lessons. Well, some lessons learned from this incident include that a company should maintain ethical practice at all times and also take quality control seriously. Um, Periodically inspect their goods to see that they're in good working, their products to see that they're in good working condition before and even after they have been um, pushed into the market. In designing an organizational structure, we must first take advantage of the existing culture, then teach the organizational structure, and then change the organizational structure. So these are the references we used in this project. Thank you.